Well, hello everybody, it's Lonnie. We're in the shed, and let's start the video out a little different. First of all, look at this. Do you know this girl? Look at that mug she's holding. That is a nice looking mug. That is Amber, and Amber Resells is the channel. I'm subscribed. You should be too. I have my little bell rung too. So Amber is about to hit 10,000 subs, and she's doing giveaways. She's giving away gift cards, and she's giving away Series 2 Garage Flips mug that she bought from me. So if you want another way to get a mug, there's a way right there. I'm going to link to this video. Amber's channel is really cool. I initially started watching Amber's channel because she had this really cool idea for videos where she would buy reseller boxes from known resellers, mostly like bigger YouTube or Instagram personality type resellers that would sell these reseller boxes, and then she would, you know, go item by item and comp the stuff out and say, you know, oh, well, this is worth about 15, this is worth 8, this is worth 20, can't really sell this one, and then come up with a total profit for the box after all was said and done, and then come to a conclusion, was it worth it or not? And it was actually very captivating because, you know, people want to see, I don't know, it's probably kind of a thing where, you know, you kind of exposing, potentially exposing someone, you know, if they're not giving a good deal, or celebrating the fact that they are giving a good deal. Either way, it was very, very smart content. And since then, she's done a lot of other cool videos too. Primarily a clothing seller, but she puts a really cool spin on a lot of the videos. Go check her out, go support her, and heck, go win a Garage Flips mug. She's giving hers away. She wanted to support our cause, which was awesome. Thank you, Amber. But she doesn't drink coffee, so she's going to give it away. So go get one. Didn't go anywhere again today. Actually, we did go out to lunch, but that's it. Haven't really done anything else. I just watched Atlas Shrugged, though. Had a little time and was chilling out here, sitting here. And I did pack 4 mugs, the last 4 mug sales. And oh, you know what? This mug right here is the free one that I gave away in the last drawing. It has not been claimed yet, and yeah, part of the contest was to pay attention, so I'm not going to like re-announce the winner or anything, but I will continue to check my email for a few days, and if they email me, then I'll go ahead and send the mug out. But if they don't, then I'll just do another giveaway, give it away again. So let's see, what are we doing? Well, first we're going to pull some orders, some more stuff. I already got this stuff shipping out, which is a pretty good bit, but then I had some more sales today. People keep buying stuff, which is awesome. I had a really good one first thing this morning when I woke up, looked at my phone and saw this one. But yeah, this is the one I woke up to this morning. I've been waiting on this one. This Transformers Masterpiece Decepticon Soundwave. Really awesome. $249.99 plus shipping on top. That was a sweet one. That'll make your whole day when you sell one like that. Of course, that was part of the stuff I got from my guy. Here's Soundwave right here. It's been listed for a bit. I knew it would take some time. Hopefully I have a suitable box. It's not even very heavy. I think I'll be able to find a suitable box to make sure we protect this sucker. This was an excellent sale to start the day. So yeah, $249 plus shipping on top. It does have a little damage there, but I did disclose that in the listing. Also sold another Walt Disney Classics Collection WDCC Prima Ballerina. This little girl right here. Is that an ostrich? Get to her. $49.99 plus shipping on top. There she is. That thing right there. I think that's an ostrich. Yeah, I don't, if I did see the movie Fantasia years ago, I don't remember anything about it at all. So I have no clue what I'm talking about with this stuff. But yeah, the WDCC just keeps on selling off. Keeps on selling off. I sold a board game. This is one I bought a few weeks ago at a yard sale. Okay, that's right here. This is I gotta concentrate so I don't spill anything. This is Risk. I paid $5 for it at a yard sale. It's sealed. And it took, you know, this is the kind of thing where I'm not making much profit. I thought it was gonna be better than this. So I got $16.99 plus shipping on top. And I paid $5, so there's not a ton of profit here. But I think it's still worthwhile. I made some decent money on it. Okay, I sold a Coca-Cola crate number 3. They're all I have left now are the yellows. Started off with a bunch of these things. Okay, it's the second one there. These are some of the better ones that I have left. The yellows seem to do a little better than the reds. There we go. Pretty simple. This isn't even the one, the kind that has the 24 slots. This is just the look, Chattanooga 1969 right there. So yeah, I got $34.99 plus shipping on top for that. And it's funny how many of these are going to like Georgia and Tennessee, areas like that, which is probably where most of this stuff comes from to begin with. All right, I got an order for an LSU Sunday morning quarterback poster. It's one of these. I've got a stack of these. I may not ever be able to sell them all. This is a viewer sale. I'm gonna throw an extra one in just in case you want to. Because I have so many, I don't think I can ever sell them all anyways. This is a Sunday morning quarterback. It's got Mike the Tiger sitting on the toilet reading the sports page. So I don't know, I think I bought that whole stack for $5. Sold that for $14.99 plus shipping on top. And let's see, who is this? Rob bought it. So thank you, Rob. I appreciate it, man. I hope you enjoy these prints. He said he's a big LSU fan though. Right, 3 second account sales today. The first one we're gonna look at is Metal Gear something Rising or something like that. Yep, here it is, right here for PS3. Metal Gear Rising Revengeance. This is going out to AJ. So AJ, thank you so much. I appreciate the nice note you wrote, and I appreciate your order. Thank you, dude. I sold an Atari 2600 game. Maybe one of the last ones I have up for sale back here. If I even have it anymore. Oh, here it is. Please be Defender. It's Defender. Got lucky. That's one I played a lot when I was a kid. Got $2.99 plus shipping on top for this. And finally, I sold another one of the Laserdisc that I bought in Tennessee. That's right, you're wrong. It's a Lucille Ball movie, I guess. Yep. $9.99 plus shipping on top. And that is everything for now. Man, this is going to be a heck of a shipping weekend. By the time, assuming I sell some more stuff, I'll typically sell stuff on Sunday night too. This is going to be madness. I might have a 4 or 5 bag weekend. That's a pretty good weekend for me. So yeah, let me get this stuff packed. We'll come back and we'll answer some questions, look at some comments and stuff like that. And no, it's not going to be about the mugs. Oh, one more order to pick before I start packing this stuff. This right here, big box PC game. This stuff sells slow, but when it does sell, it's pretty good money. There's definitely like some stuff that really sells well, but this sold for $17.99 plus shipping on top. Civ 2 Fantastic Worlds Scenarios and Construction Set. This is a CD-ROM game. It's not that old. It's probably from like, I'd imagine late 90s or maybe early 2000. I'm looking 1997. So yeah, let me get this stuff packed up. Here's a good question from James Hentges. I'm sorry. Look, it's this name right here. I'm sorry, I just don't know how to pronounce that, James. Well, I'll just call you James or Jim. Big Jim. Jimmy. Jimmy asks, hey Lonnie, long-term viewer, love your channel. Just had a quick question. A lot of times when you show what you sold, I say to myself, how in the world did he ship that for that price? Is it just showing a generic price and shipping cost screen? If not, how do you ship large items like VCRs for so little? Just trying to get a handle on my shipping costs since the rate hike. Thanks in advance, James. Okay, so James, it is kind of a generic price that we're seeing. I'm showing the sold listing for my phone, and my phone shows, whenever I do calculated shipping, which is on most of the larger things, my phone will show the calculated shipping rate to myself, not what I actually paid. So you're gonna see like the lowest possible rate the shipping could have been. If it's flat rate or if it's media, then it is gonna be the right price. But if it's showing like first class package, it's probably going to be a little more. If it's showing priority or FedEx, it could be a lot more. So yeah, that is not accurate. So just know, whenever you see that, that's the lowest price it could possibly be. Like if I was mailing that item to my next door neighbor, that's how much it would cost. So good question. I get that question a lot. All right, interesting question that was asked in the last video. 22T Freitag Racing. Hey Lonnie, speaking on the subject of morals, I've noticed that you sell a lot of Bibles, and I was wondering if that is moral to profit off the Word of God when some people think it should be free. I've been struggling with this. I have a huge stack, and I know I can make money, but don't want to purposely sin to do so. Just curious about your thoughts on this. Okay. Well, the sarcastic person in me would say the people that think it should be free can buy them from me and then give them away. I will sell to them. But no, realistically though, I think that like pragmatically, most religions want to spread, and most religions advocate that people own and read Bibles, right? So how many, and I would hazard to guess that most religions think that more Bibles in the world is a better thing. So how many Bibles do you think would exist or would be printed if no one was allowed to make a profit on them? The only way you could obtain a Bible was that if nobody made a profit, it had to be given away. I bet there'd be a lot less Bibles out there in the world. Like, and if nobody was able to make a profit on them, could you go online and get one? Like, that actually makes them available. Like, it's a healthy thing for there to be some profit involved there, because it makes things available to people that otherwise, if there's no profit involved, you wouldn't be able to get it. Like in the case of Bibles, yeah, maybe you could go get one at a church or a friend or whatever. But I don't know. I think it's I would think it's like a symbiotic relationship, profit and the spread of religion or Bibles or whatever. Like, I don't know. I make my Bibles available at a fairly, not that this even matters, but I price my Bibles very reasonably, I think. And I mean, I'm not selling like $300 Bibles. Even if I was, people don't have to have a $300 Bible. You know, I sell a lot of $10 Bibles. So yeah, I don't know. I look at it more as I'm providing a service that I'm being fairly compensated for. But I understand. But yeah, the people that think it should be free, should buy all the Bibles and give them away. That's the only way that's going to really happen. Okay, that's going to do it for today. We've got some other stuff to do. I've got mountains of packages. I actually got a few more that have got to go out too. I've got to pack up. I think, oh, I've got this game over here I got to pack still. I still got to pack the stereo. I don't know if I had any other orders coming or not. It was a heck of a sales weekend though. It was really, really good. Hope y'all are doing well too. I should see y'all again tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.